So we've come out to find the waterfall.
There's a pineapple weed.
Oh yeah, I was telling Dad about them. You can smell them. Little pineapple weeds that you can eat. So Barney's gone into the forest to see if he can find the waterfall. I'm coming back to Florence. We sat down there in the shade. Look at that view. That's Manchester. Wow.
The Deftones album.
Here we are. What, with an owl on? Yeah. Show it me. Cool. Look, and look how quiet it is. Oh, there's hardly any water. I was going to go in that. There's no water left. That's usually gushy in Florence. Can't believe it. And I drew a big love heart on there. And the walking group came.
We'll fit up there.
Yeah, we will do. Let's get comfy. I said I'm going to go in that and just get fully in it, and then we got here. It's a trickle.
Oh, it's a nice little waterfall though. When it
is. I've seen it with the walking group.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's brilliant. It's very impressive here. Been going out with a girl, her name is Julie.
I've been going out with a girl, her name is Julie. But last night she said to me, when we were watching telly, this is what she said. She said, listen John, I love you, but there's this bloke I fancy. I don't want to toot on you, so it's the end for you and me. Who's this bloke, I asked her. Gordon, she replied. Not that punk, I said dismayed. Yes, but he's no puff, she cried. He's more of a man than you'll ever be. Here we go. 2, 3, 4. I was so upset that I cried all the way to the chip shop. When I came out, there was Gordon standing at the bus stop. And guess who was with him? Yeah, Julie. And they were both laughing at me. Oh, she is cruel and heartless to pack me for Gordon. Just 'cause he's better looking than me. Just 'cause he's cool and trendy. But I know he's a moron. Gordon is a moron. Gordon is a moron. Gordon is a moron. Here we go. 2, 3, 4. She's a slag, she's a creep, she's a tart, it's very cheap. She is a slut, if it's a tough. She is a bitch, here's a puff. Yeah, yeah, it's not fair. Yeah, yeah, it's not fair. I'm so upset. I'm so upset. I'm so upset. Yeah, yeah. I ought to smash his face in. Yeah, but he's bigger than me, isn't he? I know. I'll get my mate Barry to hit him. He's flatting him. Yeah, but Barry's a mate of Gordon's, isn't he? Oh well, I don't care. I don't care.
2, 3, 4. No, 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 no. God is love. Never take nature for granted. No, I don't. God is love.
Right.
Keep filming.
That's the video.
Yeah, it's my video. My first one.
I thought you were filming now.
The broken Sam.
I think that's the there. They're just trying to climb up the wall.
I think I'm gonna kill someone.
Trying to get to the sun.
I thought you were going to say the top.
What?
I thought you was going to say, I'm trying to get to the top.
That demon in you keeps mentioning the top. I'm not going to the top.
Cut.
What's it say, Barn? Never take nature for granted. Alfred. And then God is love.